Hi buddies, welcome back, and today I want to show you how you can check for a system update on your Galaxy Tab S9 FE. And for that you want to go to your settings and then you want to scroll all the way down to software update, and here we have download and install, auto download over Wi-Fi, and our last update. So if we click on download and install, it's checking for updates and our software is up to date. So if you have an update available, it will show you here, and then you want to go ahead, download and install it. That might fix some bugs in the background that you probably haven't noticed yet. So to fix that and just to be up to date, you want to download and install that update. Otherwise you're just good to go and you can go back, use your tablet as normal. You want to maybe check on a regular basis if you have an update available, but your tablet will probably also tell you and then download it automatically. So that's how you can check for software updates on your Galaxy Tab S9 FE. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.